M3 H11 LED headlight bulb, and we can have a check the parts of this H11 bulbs. You can see it. Yeah, this one housing, aluminum. Yeah. And this is the fan to cool the driver heat and the LED heat. And this part is the copper circuit board with the faded chip on it. This is the driver. Yeah, this one is the driver. And this part, this turbine is very, the distance is about 1 centimeter. It's less than 9005, 9006. So that's all the materials for one M3 H11 bulb. Let's have a check the housing. Alright. And the housing have a two part to separate. Yeah. Downward of this bulb housing is very good. You can see this row is very detailed. It's very difficult for us to detail. Some factories have a big gaps between it like this. Wow. Yeah, you can see this one. There's two pins here. What's the use of this one? Do you know? I can show you how to use it. Yeah. Do you see it? Yeah, this turbine is for settle the circuit board in the right position. Okay. Okay, let's go to assemble all the materials into one bulbs. Okay. In fact, I like this excellence bulb. Okay. Let's do the job to mount it. So this one, yeah, I have to put this inside, and you have to be careful for this part. The pins have to settle inside of it. It's very important. Okay, everything is done. Then the fan is locked inside the right position. Okay. Yeah, one bump. Use this screwdriver to fasten the bolt. Okay, you see there's three holes here to fasten the H11 bulb. First one. Okay. That's good. Another bolt. This place. Right. And there's this one. This looping is for the H11. Pause. Okay. This is zero outlook. There's another one of the black one. This one is black one. Wow. I like this black one too. So charming. Reflecting. Saying like, oh. Which one do you like? Both? Okay. That is X-Silence M3 H11 LED headlight bulb. So it's very important for a bulb is this shape. This one is very shape, and it should be with a fan, high-speed fan, to cool the heat from the high power LED shape. Okay, you can see here now the dripping. The distance is very short. The distance very short, right? Okay. This is the black housing. Amazing bulb, right? Okay, that's it. See you. Thank you for watching.